The blinking orange light on your Rogers or Xfinity modem typically indicates a problem with activation or provisioning. This means your modem isn't properly registered on the network and can't get an IP address. Essentially, it's in a standby state, trying to connect but failing to authenticate with your internet provider's servers. Don't worry, this is a common issue and often easily fixed. In 2025, this issue continues to affect many users, particularly those on high-speed internet plans. Knowing this is the first step to getting your internet back online. A steady orange light on a Rogers modem might mean there's no internet signal at all, while for Xfinity, blinking orange usually means provisioning failed. First, try a simple reboot. Unplug your modem from the power outlet for 30 to 60 seconds, then plug it back in. This resets the modem and often resolves temporary glitches. While that is completing, ensure all cable connections are secure, checking for loose connections. If the light continues blinking, you'll need to activate or reprovision your modem through Rogers or Xfinity's online portal. You will need your account information and modem serial number. Follow the on-screen instructions. If problems persist, consider contacting Rogers or Xfinity support directly through their app or website chat for further assistance. Remember that firmware updates, often automated, and secure cable connections are preventive measures to avoid future issues.